All right, so first what you want to do is create a Creative Fabrica account. This is a subscription account. I believe it's $19.99 a month, or they may still have the promotion that is $9 a month. But you get unlimited fonts, graphics, coloring books, different types of KDP interiors. But the best part about it is you can sell on Creative Fabrica. And I sell super simple things that I can create easily. And one of those things is digital paper. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to create a design portfolio in order to apply on Creative Fabrica. The last class that I had, most of my students got approved to sell on Creative Fabrica within 1 to 2 days. So if you follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video exactly step by step, you'll be able to get approved in the same amount of time and you'll be able to sell on your faster. So I want you to go to creativefabrica.com, get a subscription account. Then I want you to go to behance.net. This is where we're going to create our design portfolio. I'm going to log in, but I need you to sign up with an email address and a password. It will be much easier for you to use the same email address that you used to sign up for Creative Fabrica with the Behance, so that there's no confusion. And when you go to apply, they won't have a confusion on who is applying. So be sure to use the same email address for both. So let me try to log in. And I'm going to just pause the video really quick while I'm logging in. Alright, so we are now logged in. I had to create a new Behance account because I had a previous one that I used to apply for Creative Fabrica years ago, but I want to show you how to upload onto Behance from scratch. So now I am logged into my Behance account. The next step is to create photos in digital paper and mockups to upload to Behance. Now I'm going to show you super simple ways to create these digital papers so that you can create your portfolio faster. But of course, later on down the line, I'll show you intricate ways to create digital paper. What I want is to go to custom design. I'm also going to keep my units at pixels, and then I want to do a Instagram post size, which is 1080 by pixels. So I'm going to just change the angle to that. Now the first set of digital papers that we are going to create are gradient digital papers, and this is the most simplest way to create your digital papers, especially when you have more time. And you can create multiple of these gradient digital papers sets if you want to upload it to Behance. So let me just, now we're at a blank like digital paper setting. I'm going to go into elements and type Behance. And now I'm going to add this purple box to my white box. Now, the reason why it's on the white background is because I show you a trick that you create your papers faster. But if you didn't want to use the trick that I'm about to show you, you can just have it as a blank one. You can choose a color, and then we can add gradient to post, and then we can change the gradient. But I'm going to duplicate this page 6 times so that I can show you the trick that will let you visual papers faster. So now that I have the gradient fade on all of my pages, I'm going to go to styles and I'm going to scroll down all the way to the color palette. So now I'm going to select on a color palette and you saw me click on apply all pages. The reason why you don't apply all pages is because it's going to make all of the pages the same. What I want to do is now that we have that, just going to click on choose my color, and now we have 6 gradient tissue papers. What I want to do is name your one because I don't want you to get confused when it comes down to creating the marker. So what you just, I'm just going to type in gradient because I'm sure I have tons of gradient paper file names. So now I'm going to go to make sure it's at PNG and click down. And now it's downloading. I want to go back to Canva and I want to select another Instagram post size. So it's going to be 1080 by 1080 pixels. Increase the design. Now I want you to go to Elements and scroll down to Grades. Right here. We're going to select C1 and we are going to select something that has 3 frames up top and 3 frames at the bottom, like so, or you can select the frames that are across, like so. So let me just add those, and I'll show you how to add your photos in. So you can see that there's like spacings. I don't know that. So when I click my entire post, I'm going to click the spacing and make sure there are no spaces left. I want to go to my files and I want to extract my file so that I can upload it to PDF. So I'm going to select my file. Once I click the file, a extract all button will pop up. And I'm going to click it. Now I'm going to click upload file. I'm going to upload all of the ingredients I just did. While that's loading, I want to go to my home page of elements and select a square. I want to then add the square on the middle of the page. I want it to be horizontal left to right, not up and down. That makes sense. So I'm going to just sort of go back and I'm then going to select a text. And this text will say please is for paper. Resolution. Now I'm going to do the same bottom. So let's just duplicate. Now, when you're creating a markup, you just want to use one of these posts, I am showing you two different kinds of posts so that you can see what your markup would be like. But now that all of my gradients are uploaded, I'm going to just fill them in each frame. Now this is how it looks when you have one frame going up and going from the top to the bottom, and it kind of just shows all of the pieces across. But this is how it will look if you have 3 frames at the top and 3 frames at the bottom. So it really just depends on your preference. And if you download one, then we're then going to upload to our Behance. Now we're in Behance. I'm going to select share your work on the right side. And this is just showing me that the image is not downloading. Alright, so share your work. We're going to put the project. We're going to select image. Now we want to click on our download. And for the design portfolio, you do not have to upload any files. So you don't have to upload any folders or anything like that. All I need you to do is create your digital paper. Download your images so that you can upload it back to Canva to create the markup. And the only thing that you're uploading to the digital portfolio is the markup. So I'm going to click continue after that has downloaded. It says give your name, your project title. So we're just going to do what our title is digital paper. Tags, really don't have to fill this out, but if you wanted to, you can just do design, background, and digital. You don't have to select tools or use them. And for how would you categorize this? Select graphic design, and then you are now to steps you need to take. Now, what I want, um, all right. So what I need you to do is create 10 of these mockups. 10. In order to have a great portfolio to get approved on Creative Fabrica in the 1 to 3 days is a great portfolio. So I'm going to go to home page and show you again how to create a quick digital paper. So I'm going to custom size. And we want to select 1080. All right, so now that we have elements, let's type in cheetah print pattern. Once you type that in, the cheetah print pattern pops up that you can then change the color of. Now I'm going to show you how to use the styles again so that this can be really quick and you don't have to take too much time because we want to get approved first. So we're just going to put this fingerprint powder all over the post and duplicate it so we're in 6 pages of art. You want to select this duplicate icon, and now we have 6 pages. Now I want to go back to style, which is on the left-hand side. Make sure you select your post, style, scroll down to select a color for each box. Select your palette, select color, select pattern, select color pattern, and you just want to go through the steps. If you don't like something, you can just easily go back, select anything, color for it until you like what pops up. So now I have 6 pages that is done. Peter print. So then go to download as a PNG. We're going back to our because we want to save time and not have to create a room. So I want to go, that's downloading. Download it, click on file and hit extract open. All right, now we want to upload. Select all of my images and upload it to Canva. Now I'm going to use maybe this markup since I used the other one last time. So let's just add images into our frame. And then, oops, I'm going to just erase the gradient and type in print digital. Now I'm going to download page 2. And while that is downloading, go back to my portfolio. Share your work, project, image. We want to select markup. There's our markup. Click continue. Project title is Cheetah Digital. Project types again to graphic. Paper. Categorize it as a graphic design and click publish. So now we have 2 Let me go to my actual profile so I can show you. So we're going to click the Enhance profile, and I have two markups. And I would like for you to have 10 so that you can get approved quickly. But that's why I'm showing you the quickest way to create your digital paper markups so that you can start selling them pretty the fabric up. So I'm actually in the like profile section. You want to select edit profile and fill out everything. So you don't have to fill out like occupation or company or anything like that. But I would like for you to fill out the about me in description. You can do something simple as um, illustrator and create pattern background, something super simple. And then I would just save it. You don't have to fill out like work experience or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go back to the profile section, and you don't have to click the save button because Adobe already does that for you. I here you want to select a profile. If you don't want to do your own profile picture, which I didn't, you can easily use one of Canva's free logos, create a simple name, and then upload it. For your banner, it says your dimensions should be 3200 by 410 pixels. So you want to go to Canva and we're going to type in 3200 by 410 pixels. If any of these steps are too fast, please make sure you rewind so you can do it correctly. And here we have the banner size. Now you have some templates that pop up, and this is pretty cool if you don't want to create your own. I can use select on something, type in, so I'm just gonna type in my name. And then I'm going to type in graphic design. Like so. And then I'm going to just click download and then go back to my Behance account. Now I'm showing you super simple quick ways because I don't want you to get too hung up on designing the portfolio because all you're trying to do is get approved. Great. So now we have our background. We now have our two mockups. We want to have 10. So repeat the same process as we did for the cheetah print and the gradient digital paper. And let me actually go back so I can show you some different patterns. And so you can type in seamless. And of course, Canva does come with digital paper now, for digital papers that you cannot alter. You want to use something that you can change the color of, because if you add this to a page and then upload it to either your profile or your Canva, you did not create that design. You did change anything about the design to be able to use it. So that is why I am suggesting that you use something that you can choose the color of, like this butterfly right here. You can actually change the color. So just maximize it. You can choose the color this way, or I can go to my styles, change the color that way, change the color. Even though you are still using the element key, you are altering the image to be able to create your own design, as opposed to you just using a Canva picture, maximizing it, and saying I created it. You didn't need to create this design, if that makes sense. So now I'm just going to end the video so that you are able to create at least your first three um, mock-ups to be able to put on your portfolio. If you have any questions, again, put it in our chat so that I can respond to it quickly.